Hey Jill, Dustin, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to discuss three different topics, but before I do, my name is Joshua Gutierrez, and I love doing what I do and helping small business owners such as yourself crush your goals. So with that, let's get started. First thing I want to talk about is content. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords, and the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, if we pull up construction, Roseville, California, I scroll down and find Altec Construction. So it's a little ways down from the front page. So let's take a look and check out your website and see what it looks like. Awesome. All right, I really like your design here, your brand right here. That's really, really creative. I like how this popped out here. I kind of like what you did with the designs here. Looks really nice. I like the way that popped out. A little bit about you guys. Nice. Who we are. That's pretty nice. Oh, I like how everything just pops to the right, from left to right. That looks really, really good. But one thing that Google really looks for in content is around 1,500 to 2,000 words. So Google really likes as well different keywords embedded into your content. So, I mean, right here it looks like you don't have really too much content here. Not at all. So it looks like under 100 here. So you'd need about at least 1,500 to 2,000. So let's kind of check out your competitors and see what they're doing now. But before we get into that, there's three different ways you could be found. You could be found up here in what's called the map pack area. These three areas, about 30% of your clients look here, and they go with whoever's up here. And these are the organics up here, the top three. 70% clients look here. So more people look here in the organic section. And also, if you have Yelp ranking up here, it's just because they're ranking nationally. And if we targeted the local keywords for this area, we could definitely blow them out of the water. So, with that being said, let's look at your competitor, which is Roseville Remodeling Construction. Okay, now as you can see, their website, it has some content on there. And that's it right there. It looks like maybe 100 words of content there, if that. They definitely do not have the content as well. So, but I really do like and love your site very much better. So that's about all I have for content, and that pretty much explains what Google wants for content. A second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Now, there's this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your website to it. And this basically shows your present status of your website right now. And the URDR right here, the UR right here to measures strength from a 100-point scale, and the DR right here measures trust. So looks like you got 202 backlinks, 24 referring domains to those backlinks, and 10 organic keywords. What we don't like to see is the low organic traffic. So let's take a look and see what your competitors are doing. And they got 99 organic traffic. And it could be because they have, let's see, let me take a quick look. Do follow. And it could be because they have more organic words than you do. So that's kind of, I'm comparing these on what I can see. So, but yes, that is why they are ranking up there, is because the keywords they have embedded. Now let's take a quick look at their keywords and kind of see what they have traffic-wise for that area. So basically they're targeting locally. So that's kind of what we want to do to beat them. So then all we got to do is just do a little bit more extra work, and then that will get us past um, the top competitors that you see up here on the top page. What we were discussing earlier, like Yelp. So that's what will get us to beat them. All backlinks are not created equal. Um, so with that being said, here's we have access to all their keywords, what the volume is and the search volume is on every single one. So we could choose whatever we want to use. That being said, that's about all I have for backlinks and keywords. The third thing I want to discuss is citations. Now, think of your business as being like a digital phone book up here. So that's kind of what this is. Um, you want to have more citations than um, either of these three in order to be in these three. So you got to figure out what citations they got and just put more and you'll be good to go with that. As well, you want to make sure that you optimize your Google Business Profile to 100% and make sure that everything is saved properly. And that is pretty much how you end up here. You just got to do some research and kind of look and see what Altec Construction Inc. is doing and do a little bit more than them. For example, if they have 20 pictures, put 25. So, but yeah, that's pretty much in a nutshell all that I have for you, Dustin. And I hope that this information is come to great value to you. Feel free to reach out if you need a guide to get you through and or just have a sit down and talk. And if this is something that you want to, if you choose to do, if not, no harm, no foul. And this is yours to keep. It's your free information. Use as you want. So if this is something you want me to guide you on, feel free to call me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. 505-331-7995, or you can reach my email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you so much, and I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Bye now.